formula that contains an anaesthetic is a device, and we've got to make sure that that loophole is closed. For the moment, though, that loophole remains open. Well, now,
It's a text message, a phone call.
I am able to inject needle penetration of Jim McGrath, or anyone called Jim McGrath. If they want injecting, tiny girl. The sheer ease with which ordinary people, like beauty therapists, can gain the legal qualification to inject fillers continues to alarm the mainstream medical profession. I'm going to demonstrate this side, and then I'll ask somebody else to do that side. Xavier Budadian is a cosmetic doctor who's been working with injectables for 7 years. All the trainees on his courses have a professional medical background. So, Dr. Xavier, take us through side effects. Side effects, the side effects that they filler could be an infection, which could be a severe infection. You could get schizophrenia, which means you get infection in the blood. You can end up in intensive care. You could die from it. There have been cases where people have lost their noses after an injection of filler because there was a blockage of the arteries where it was injected in. And that's exactly why you need to have a medical background when you do this treatment. As you know, if you inject there, you actually lose function of your mouth on that side. I must admit, this course seemed a lot more formal. He was talking in a different language, using medical words most people wouldn't understand. It had a very different feel to the one I attended in Canada. We filmed at Britain's only training school that trains beauticians. I, in fact, injected someone. So, how do you feel about your ordinary beautician or beauty therapist being able to inject? I have to say the whole medical industry, I'm talking the whole of doctors, dentists and nurses, they're all disgusted by this because we feel that really, you couldn't think any lower. He's really lowered the standard. I wanted to be able to pick holes in it. I wanted to be able to pick stuff. But you know what? I found it so difficult. What is the feeling about that? Because I can't find someone who has been treated badly by a beautician. The reason why you haven't found it is because this is fairly new. Give it 5 or 10 years, I can assure you that there will be a lot of people with problems at different treatments. So what I'm going to do really is I'm just going to start here and just